Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today we are going to talk about how to live a life of freedom. Now, freedom is completely defined by you. Yes, you, the viewer. Okay, so freedom is going to be different for everybody. Now, freedom is very, very important for me in my life. I actually wake up every day seeking freedom. How can I have more of it? And to me, freedom is doing exactly what you want on a daily basis, living your life exactly as you please, not how anyone else pleases, not by working a job that your mom or dad or spouse wanted you to work, not by staying in a city just because it feels comfortable because someone wants you to build there. It's just by making your own choices. Now, this seems very common sense. This seems like, duh, once you get an adult, you live a life of freedom. Now, there is illusionary freedom, meaning we live these cutout, cookie cutter paths in our life because we're told that it will make us happy. Now, who's to say what will make us happy because they're not us? But society has this idea that everyone can go the same route, go to school, go to college, work a good job, save enough to travel and retire, have families, things of that nature. Now, if you desire that route and it makes you feel free, all the better. But it's not the same for everybody. Now, freedom is, again, for me to work for myself is freedom, for me to make my own choices, to be the boss or authority over myself in every sense of the word. So emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually. No one is telling me what to do. Not my parents, nobody. So that's freedom for me. Now for you, for someone else, it might be different. You can still have family, you can still have friends. Obviously, you don't have to be the lonely wanderer type like I am. But you have to just decide today what is freedom to me and be courageous enough to go after it. You can't care what people think. You just have to let that go. Even now, when I am challenged with the want to conform at times, I have to remember, this is about me. This is my journey. I go at my own pace. I learn my own way. I have to go my own path. And the thing about being free is there's no map for this shit. It's not the safe route a lot of times, which is why a lot of people are scared to go this route of freedom. Now, you might say, oh, I wanted to wander on little to no money, or oh, I wanted to save some money and then go and backpack somewhere, or whatever the case may be, but you could be making excuses still. Now, this is confirmation today that you need to stop making excuses. Just do it. And all my traveling and wandering experience so far, it just ended up with me just doing it. From working in Hawaii to just going to Cali on a whim to just catching greyhounds everywhere. You just have to do it. Even if you want to go to school to a certain place, or whatever the case may be, it's entirely up to you. Now today I challenge you. First, you have to close off the chatter to everyone else around you who could be swaying you or not allowing you to hear your dreams. And then once you sit with yourself long enough and you're like, okay, this is surely what I want. Dream boards can help. Meditation can help. This is surely what I want. Go after it. Take a step each and every day without fail. Be ruthless with this. And you can't. Basically, you have to trust yourself enough. Understand that you're worthy enough to live a life of your dreams. Because you never want to live a life of what if. But yeah, so that's the little basics of how to live a life of freedom. It's really simple. You just gotta do it. It's like Nike. And honestly, it takes you getting over your fear, feeling the fear, doing it anyway. Honestly, what made me get a leap of faith in a lot of my journey was listening to motivational videos every day that made me take an initial step. Getting fed up. Sometimes it takes some of us have a hard head. We're stubborn. So some of you guys won't take the initial leap until you get fed up in your situation and you're just like, I need change. So change is constant, and freedom can inspire that seeking freedom can inspire that change and things of that nature. But yeah, define what freedom is to you. Some people think it's financial freedom. There's many different ways to work on getting this freedom. You just have to test it out for yourself and change and maneuver your life as you please as you go. For me, I choose the gypsy lifestyle. I learned as I go, do tarot readings on the street, do stuff online, building as I go. Obviously, you don't have to, if you don't want to, you don't have to drop everything all at once. You can, you know, focus on having your business or whatever you want to do on the side and weeding yourself out. But yeah, make the initial step today. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.